Good morning, students. We are studying lesson 2. The name of the lesson is Caring for Others. In this chapter, we have read about the old people yesterday. We have studied about the topic growing old. Children, today our topic is taking care of old people. So, open your book and start reading with me. Now, children, read. They are taught the same things as in other schools, but in a different way. Children, in this paragraph, we are talking about the blind people, means those who are unable to see. The people who are unable to see are known as blind, and in this paragraph, we are talking about the blind people. So, they are taught the same things as in other schools, but in a different way. For example, blind people read from the script called Braille. Now, blind people have a different script known as Braille script. Now, we will study who invented Braille script. The Braille was invented by Louis Braille in 1824. It is a series of raised dots on which a blind person moves his hands and reads. So Braille script is used for reading by blind people. It consists of raised dots, and a blind person used to move his fingers on the raised dots, and in this way a blind person can read with the help of Braille script. Braille writing is done on a machine called Braille writer. But children, Braille script do not require books and notebooks like us. They require a machine. Braille can only be written with the help of a machine which is known as Braille writer. So, blind people use a special machine called Braille writer for writing something with the help of Braille script. Physically challenged people also include those who have one or more body parts missing. Physically challenged people also include those people also whose one or more body parts are missing, like maybe their hand may be missing, their leg may be missing, one of their leg may be missing. Likewise, so these are also known as physically challenged person. We can help physically challenged people. Now children, next paragraph is we can help physically challenged people by spending time with them and making them feel loved and wanted. Children, the people who are physically challenged means they are not physically well. Their body parts are not working properly or they are missing. So, they feel that they are unwanted. Nobody loves them. And so, they feel that they are unwanted in this world. So, what we should do to help them? We should spend our time with them so that they can feel that they are loved and wanted. Here are some things we can do to show our love for them. Number 1, do not laugh at them or tease them. Underline the word tease. T-E-A-S-E. Tease means make fun of them. We should not make fun of them. And we should not laugh on physically. We should not laugh at physically challenged people. Help them in their daily chores. Underline the word chores. Chores means daily routine work, is known as chores. Play with them and make them a part of your day-to-day activities. You should play with the physically challenged people, and so that they can feel that they are also a part of your day-to-day life. Encourage them to go to school, study and have a hobby. Children, encourage means to give support. Underline the word encourage. E-N-C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Encourage. and underline the word hobby, HOBY. Do you all know that what a hobby is? Hobby is something like an activity which you want to do in your spare time. Like someone likes music, someone likes dancing, someone likes playing sports, etc. And the last point is invite them to birthday parties, picnics and other celebrations and outings. So children, we should also invite physically challenged people to our home also when there is any birthday party or any get together in our house, like picnics and other celebrations. At festivals also we should invite the physically challenged people. Now there is a pink box which is given here. Fact and 15th October is celebrated as the World Care Day for blind people. So there is one special day for the blind people which is 15th October, and it is celebrated every year internationally all over the world. Now next fact and is some children do not have parents. They are called orphans. They live in special homes called orphanages. They also need our love and support. Children, there are some orphanages also in which those children are kept whose parents are not alive, whose parents are dead. So orphanages are the homes of orphans. Now the children hard words for today are physically challenged, means physical disability. The person who is having physical disability is known as physically challenged. Raised means high. Course, a routine work. Encourage, support. Orphan, a child whose parents are dead. Orphanage, a home of orphans. So children, your assignment for today is write all the hard words in your notebook, learn spellings and meanings of all the hard words, write briefly about Braille script. Now children, it is given in your book also, so you have to write something about Braille script. Braille script is a script which is used by blind people for reading and writing. Okay, thank you children.